Hello and welcome to another update video about Alchemy Pay. Alchemy Pay is a coin with a bit of a questionable chart because the movement to the upside that happened here in 2021 is just a three-wave structure. So it's a fairly clear A, B, C structure. You do not see 5 waves here. So it's corrective, which is never good, which is never a good start. So it is at worst bearish, at best a questionable chart. Okay, so you just need to know that higher risk than other charts. Therefore, we could count the move down as a wave 1. Okay, so you can see that better actually with this chart. You can see that actually better on the log chart because you can see the waves a bit better. But what you actually see on the chart at the moment is the bullish wave count, so that we have an A wave to the upside, a B wave to the downside, and we would get a C wave to the upside. That's the bullish count, okay? That means, again, questionable chart, because what happens after these 3 waves up? I don't know, it could get a 5-wave move down with no new lower lows coming. So be aware of that, yeah? Whenever a chart tops in 3 waves, it's not good. Okay, it could still be bullish, doesn't mean it needs to be bearish, but it's questionable. It's not a long-term uptrend. It's not clearly 5 waves into one direction. Well, at least not to the upside. Well, the bearish version would obviously be, okay, we rallied in an ABC. Well, if we zoom out a bit, what does that mean? That could mean, from a bearish point of view, that the move to the downside here, where we bottomed in December, that was just a wave 1. We're now rallying in a wave 2, and we will come down in a 3, move up in a 4, come down in a 5. See, and that's the risk with charts that topped in an ABC structure. Okay, and in one of the previous videos, I highlighted that red resistance zone here on the chart, which was spot on as it seems, because this is the resistance for this wave 2 I've just shown you. And resistance is here between 10 cents and 4 cents. Really only above 10 cents we can look at something more bullish, yeah. Because then this 1-2 setup to the downside will become much less likely. Yeah, at least above 10 cents the bullish scenario will gain in likelihood. So, just be aware of that risk, but in the short term, it's still tradable to the upside for anybody who's looking for a bullish chart. So, you can deal, you can say that, okay, at least as long as we're holding relevant support levels, we can focus on higher. By the way, let me hide the volume first. We had this A wave to the upside. Okay, which is a potential 5-wave move, but I'm counting it only as an A wave. Obviously, it could be a wave 1, but I'm counting it as an A wave to indicate, okay, what we're seeing here to the upside could just be a wave 2 as an ABC structure, right? It can always be something more bullish, but so at the moment, I don't want to give that impression that this is a bullish chart because it's at best questionable for me. Okay, but again, as long as we're holding support, we can trade to the upside, or we can focus on the upside. Bullish support is at 1.6 cents. It's a 78.6 retracement. So it's a so-called AB setup. You can also call it a 1-2 setup, which would be a bit more bullish, but really the difference is only what happens after this wave here. So anyway, in the short term, it doesn't matter. We've come down in a 3-wave structure, so I'm looking at this as an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. That could be finished with this reversal here. It's not entirely clear yet, but if it now leaves our support area, then this could be a really good sign that the move to the upside in a C wave has started. Better indication would be a break above those swing highs at 4.4 cents. Again, as long as we're holding 1.67 cents, you can expect that C wave to play out. Good start down here already. What would be a target for the C wave? So condition obviously is that we're holding the Thursday swing low at 2 cents. That's the condition that this C wave is now going to work out. Target for the C wave, well, to measure that we take the length of the A wave, go to the low of the B wave, and the very, very first target would be the 4.8 cent level. I think there will be some resistance there because there's also the A wave high. Then the first really common target for a C wave is the 1-to-1 ratio at 6.5 cents, and the 1.618 extension at 9.2 would be an extended target. Which one we are going to reach depends a bit on the subdivisions. Eventually we're looking for a 5-wave move up in the C wave. So yeah, nice reversal down here. Not enough information to say we have really bottomed, but I think there's a good chance. Yeah, it's quite a nice move. However, let me go to the 1 hour chart. Let's go to the 1 hour. So I don't see a clear 5-wave move here yet. Because this is the low that was made, well, on Friday, okay? Then, okay, maybe this could be a 1-2 setup, okay? Then this cannot be a 3. This cannot be a 4 because we have an overlap with wave 1. So this would need to be another 1-2 setup. Then here maybe a 3 and a 4. Yeah, you avoid an overlap here. Then this a 5, okay? So, all right, let's label that possible. 1, 2, then here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in 3. This could have been the 4, and maybe we're pushing higher now in the 5. That indicates that of this C wave, a first subwave structure could be finished nearly. Yeah. Be aware that we're heading into resistance because 5 waves up could be complete now. And this could then indicate this is again a wave 1. And if we're now coming down, this could be a wave 2. So if I zoom out again a little bit, this is probably not the wave 1 of C, but it's like maybe the wave 1 of the wave 1 or something. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. So let me go to the 4-hour chart again. Oops. So let me take the fibs out. They might confuse. So obviously the C wave, it might reach, what do we say, roughly 9 cents maybe. Depending on how the subdivisions work out, but eventually we're looking for, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5 in wave C. And again, this is probably not the wave 1 yet. It might be the wave 1 of the wave 1, but just to highlight you, this would be a 1. And we would then expect a wave 2 to follow in an ABC structure, typically into the region between the 50% and 78.6 retracement. Now I can measure these support levels only based on the last high. We might push a little higher in this 5-wave move, but support would be between 2.23 and 2.42 cents. So any drop below 2.23 cents would most likely lead to a failure of the pattern and to new lows, first in the yellow box and then maybe to new bear market lows if we lose 1.6 cents. Okay, that's my update about Alchemy Pay. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.